Afrikaans Study Center, Lesson 26. Tyd en getalle. Time or tyd. These are usually written in numbers and you are asked to write them out in words. Time is always written as one word except if the number ends in a vowel. Then we use a hyphen. Here are some examples. 1 uur, 2 uur, 3 uur, 4 uur, 5 uur, 6 uur, 7 uur, 8 uur, 9 uur, 10 uur, 11 uur and 12 uur. Remember to use the preposition before time. For example, ons het 6 uur vertrek. Time is written as follows. 600 uur is gelyk aan 6 uur. 6:15 is gelyk aan 6:15. 6:25 is gelyk aan 25 minute oor 6. 6:30 is gelyk aan 6:30, halfway to 7. 6:40 is gelyk aan 20 minute voor 7. 6:45 is 7:15. 700 is gelyk aan 7 uur. PM is gelyk aan voormiddag, also known as AM. NM is gelyk aan namiddag, also known as the PM. Midnight is gelyk aan middernag. If we want to say how long something takes in hours, we write it as words. For example, die reis na Durban het 6 uur geneem. When we use mass, distance, or measurements, hours, and years with a number, the noun stays singular. For example, 2 liter or 36 kilometer or 10 kilogram or 11 uur or 5 jaar. We say ure or jare if we want to emphasize the time taken. For example, ons het 5 lang ure in die donker gesit. Numbers, getalle, also known as nommers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Eerste, tweede, derde, vierde, vyfde, sesde, sewende, agste, negende, tiende, 11de, 12de, 13de, 14de, 15de, 16de, 17de, 18de, 19de en 20ste. 21, 22, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100, 200, 1000, 2000 en miljoen. 30ste, 40ste, 50ste, 60ste, 70ste, 80ste, 90ste, 100ste, miljoenste. 1999 of 1999. 2004, 625. Thank you, the Study Center, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.